If you're experiencing a cloud save error in Cyberpunk 2077, don't worry. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your saved game. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. The poor connection can prevent the game from syncing your cloud saves properly. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This can fix any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Step 4. Check cloud save settings. Make sure that cloud saving is enabled in the game settings. Sometimes, this feature can be accidentally turned off, preventing saves from syncing. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to CD Projekt Red's support team. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your game.